What is going on, everybody out there? Today on MWW Eats, we are going to be making crepes. I've never made a crepe in my life, so I've got my recipe. We'll see how this goes. This is going to be interesting. All right, let's get started. So, you're obviously going to need a bowl here. And 4 eggs. We're going to crack those and whip those lightly. Next up, we've got 1 1/3 cups of milk. So there's our 1. And there's our 1/3-ish. Close enough. Next, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to want to melt that so it mixes in easier. We got ourselves 1 cup of flour. Fold that in nicer. I don't recommend just dumping the whole thing in and then mixing it in. You'll get lumps. So this calls for 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, well, caster sugar, but if you want powdered sugar. Plop and plop. Last but not least, we've got a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, now our batter is all ready. Let's move over to the stove. So for this recipe, we can either use a medium frying pan like this or a crepe pan if you happen to have one. We do happen to have one, so we are going to be using that. We're going to heat that up to a medium heat, and I'm going to keep the burner at large. So keep in mind that because your crepes are extremely thin, they're going to be very, 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 very easy to burn. Better. Hey, that's more what we're looking for right there. Feeling my edges. There we go. Alright, I've got very slight crispiness around the edges. Let's see if we can time this right this time. Oh, hey, we're getting there. Jeez, these cook fast. Come here, Mr. Crepe. Mr. Crepe. Hot, but perfect. But really, what is a crepe? What is a crepe but a vehicle for some delicious ingredients? So what are we putting in these guys today? Nutella, of course. But whatsoever could I put in my Nutella to make it even better? Bananas, of course. Go and...
Oh, yeah.
Say crepe, 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 crepe. That is it. We are ready to nom on these things. Thanks very much for joining us while I cooked my very first crepe. I think they turned out pretty well. Nutella makes everything better, even if it is a little bit crispy on one side. But definitely try this recipe out and let us know in the comments below what you put inside yours. And if you've got an awesome crepe recipe, let us know as well, and maybe we'll try it out. So hit all the buttons below if you like this kind of content. Don't forget that bell. It's going to let you know when these kinds of videos go up from this particular channel. And I hope to be making more of them because there's no reason not to. We're in the kitchen, we're home, we're cooking, so we might as well show you guys what we are up to. Send us your recipes as well. Comment section below, or send us an email that is going to be in the description below, because we are looking for interesting recipes from around the world. Let us know what you've got, and we will see you in the next one.